Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make greetings in Spanish. The simple one is hola, which means hello. Hola, hola. Buenos días, which means good morning. Buenos días, buenos días. Buenas tardes, which means good afternoon or good evening. We only have this one for the two of them. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches, which is good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿qué tal? Or ¿cómo vas? These three sentences means how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Qué pasa? Which means what's up. But you have to be careful with this because it could mean what's going on. So depends how you say it. It could be one thing or the other. ¿Qué pasa? With a smile, it's like what's up. But if you are like a little bit suspicious and you say, ¿qué pasa? That's what's going on. ¿Qué tal va todo? How's everything going? ¿Qué tal va todo? ¿Qué tal va todo?